See the temple over there, yeah.
Temple gate.
And this side, see this is inside. We are going to this mountain.
Let me take a photo of my number. Just in
267, yeah. Our butt gonna burn after this.
enter. I think we have to buy ticket.
Yeah. I think they have other elevator ticket also, so let's not take the elevator ticket. We will just take the entrance ticket.
We need no elevator, normal entrance ticket. Not here?
Tickets over there. This is just for the elevator, right? Why she was so angry at you? Maybe you're gonna get tickets here.
So we just got tickets to the cave. So the ticket is 40,000 per person. But if you want to use the lift there, you have to pay 15,000 extra per person. So 30,000 extra per person. But we are young and active, and we are not taking the lift. We'll be using the stairs. We'll be going the old school way. We just saved 30,000 by not taking the lift. The lift is only this much. It will help you reach maybe in 2 minutes. But here at least we have a track and nice view, and we go the old way. बेसिकली हम लोग कंजूस है. लेट्स गो.
पैसा बचा रहे.
उधर दिखाओ एक बार, उधर एक बार दिखाओ.
और ये देखिए इधर से अभी तक कुछ व्यू नहीं है, पर ऊपर जाते. सो वी ऑलमोस्ट रीच नियर द टेम्पल, एंड दिस इज द व्यू ऑफ द सी. यू कैन जस्ट फील इट फ्रॉम द above. Like it's really beautiful. I don't know if it's coming in the cam, but it really looks beautiful. And this is the stair. Halfway I'm so tired because I have a broken knee. So let's see. Oh, it's have very beautiful, what to say this, what is this?
Carvings, I don't know.
Carvings? Not exactly carvings, I guess.
Dragons.
It's really beautiful.
Nice. Let's go. Oh, Buddha.
Okay, I want to click photo near that.
Unfortunately, Alvin is not here, so no photos. No photos.
No, you take photo. हाँ. फिश भी है.
আমরা ক্লিপ থেকেই স্ক্রিনশট নিতে পারছি. Ancient Asian architecture. हम एक तो आना चाहिए.
मैं लेती हूँ तुम्हारा.
हाथ में लगा के रखना.
हाँ. It's very cool, right?
Watch over your head.
Go down that way. You come back. Yeah. No. You go down this way.
উপরের পাটটা দেখা पीछे it's so cool
And it's very beautiful. Oh.
That's it? ये इधर से जाते गए
No, I don't think so. So we are going to see the Shiva sculpture here.
Where?
I think this is the Shivling.
What?
Yeah,
Which one?
that inside. Maybe. You can go, but I don't want to go here.
No, I don't want to go. It will be disrespectful.
Yeah, with shoes, I think it. Oh, this is, yeah, Shiva. Oh, that's Shivling. Yeah, I'm right. That's Shivling.
Okay.
The offerings. Oh, be careful, be careful.
These are all marble, I guess.
Yeah,
Marble and rock.
I think these are real marbles.
इधर देखो.
Yeah. They have the. Oh, it's.
Lord Buddha.
Oh, this much.
Now here. Be careful, huh, Rishmi?
Yeah. Here it's written quiet.
Dark.
It's totally dark. I on.
That's it?
That's it.
I don't think there is any road.
Yeah.
That's it. All the things that you can see here is on the map. Everything on the map you can explore.
Should we go that side?
What is the elevator?
Our.
The ocean. Wow, that hotel is so nice. And that is screenshot nenu, huh? Oh wow, এই টাওয়ারটা কি সুন্দর. So nice. Ancient architecture. Here we have the sea watching tower. You can see a nice view of the sea. Can you guys see the sea? Yes. From here you can see the sea.
Butterfly.
So now we are going to visit another cave. The entrance is there. Let's see how it is.
Have we come halfway? Halfway? Have we come halfway? Full talk.
Now we over halfway already. We almost
Halfway is there.
Let's see where that cave is. Oh, it's so hot. Hello.
Coconut.
No.
Coconut water Coke.
Venthong Cave. Okay. Let's visit Venthong Cave.
Maybe. I hope so.
Spanish. Watch the steps. Very steep. Oh. Oh. Come, come.
Always keep your hands on the side. Okay? And then the floating is slowly unfolding. Yeah. Just slowly. Don't worry. Lie your head and lie your back sometimes. Okay?
Xin thông báo lần tới có nơi đường dắt trơn trượt khó đi, mong quý khách cẩn thận.
If you barba sure.
Huh.
Cẩn thận tư trạng
I GoPro đã rakha diba.
No.
để phòng cả xấu lợi dụng. Xin trân trọng cảm ơn.
Shit. It's very risky.
No, it's fine for me. I'm a climber. Someday I will climb Mount Everest.
Just make sure nothing happens to my GoPro.
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
Slowly. Yeah. So from this slow. Just right there. Not so long.
तुम पड़े जाओ तारा जाती तो.
Mind your head and your back. Okay.
Well, I can't see you. I think I should stop vlogging. Oh no, I can see you. A blurry you. Run, go.
How
Don't
can you
wait.
vlog and climb? It's very hard. Rashmi.
You just go up.
Ah. Oh.
You just don't step in my.
Wait.
It's very beautiful. See, the marbles are really amazing. I think we should have gone to that other cave first. I don't know.
It's okay, we're already here. Oh, ऐसे तुमने कर लिया climbing plus vlogging.
I'm pro.
Oh, you are.
Taro कहता से this girl is good.
Slowly.
No, we're not going back down that way. I already asked that.
Slowly and keep your breath. He's looking slowly.
Yeah, Kyle, do you need to take a break? You're breathing hard.
No, I'm just.
Give me one of those. I'll put it in my pocket.
Just give it to me.
That's the cactus.
Slippery. Went through it easily.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Very nice. Very nice.
guys.
Very nice.
This is very, very nice. Oh, I need to move. I'm blocking people. Sorry, old lady alert. I apologize in advance.
Crazy.
Thanks for your patience. Are you going to be able to sit there?
Yes, we
Oh.
shot
Should we get the
the beach.
Yeah, it's really beautiful out there. Oh God, this is so beautiful.
Take a picture.
আমার একটা ফটো
And I need to
তুমি
take a
দিকে যাও।
picture with,
আমার
with
এমনি একটা
Alan Shearer.
চলো
Anything can be.
তোমার একটা নেই
Let me give you a space. You go first. You go first. Oh. Do you think it's worth climbing that slippery?
না
No.
very hot
Okay. Okay, take a shot of me.
slippery
Ah. You can't do it. Poor you.
Oh, me? I have to stand up?
Alan Shearer. You know Alan Shearer?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. Look at him, please.
I'll have to get down now
Yeah. I'm fine. You give me the camera. You go. You go ahead. Chicken.
درس فenomenalno.
Go chicken. Chicken.
it's slippery by the way
Chicken go.
okay it's slippery bhai
Chicken.
ध्यान से आना
Chicken.
don't drop my camera
I will.
Babu, ನೀನು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ
Yeah.
slippery किंतु अनेक
Yes. I know it's slippery. Oh.
be careful
Yes.
slip हो जाएगा
Don't worry. I'm
पैर slip हो
careful.
जाएगा
I'm careful. Oh, it's beautiful. I think I really like the adventure a bit because here everyone is nagging about the slippery rocks, but I really liked it. That's what gives me dopamine, you know. If it would have been normal stairs,
then jump from here
then it wouldn't have been so good experience. I think this is where we came from, right? So let this Anirban chicken go first, then I'll move. Go.
okay Whew. survived
Okay. That was very tough for Mr. Motulal. But I saw some waterfall photo in the map.
waterfall
Yeah, I didn't see the waterfall.
we'll ask you
Should we go again from this
No.
side? फिर से चले? चलो ना फिर से. चिकन मुर्गा डर गया मुर्गा. 40,000
not 40
40,000 dog.
আমার শার্টটা ভিজা নি দাও তো
Ha. You are wet. You wet. It feels like we came from here.
no
Okay. Go cho.
no
Ooh.
এটা সব এই আমার ফটো নামের সেন্টার
I think I'm lucky enough that I didn't skip this. This is very beautiful.
हाजी विनोद जी
वो पैनोरामिक जो है
Oh, I think this is really cool.
Also from India?
Yeah.
Good.
You are from India too?
Yeah.
Where from
हम लोग
कहाँ से
गुड़गांव.
गुड़गांव।
और आप लोग?
हम लोग नॉर्थ ईस्ट से है बेसिकली, बट बैंगलोर में रहते हैं।
बैंगलोर से।
हम लोग के बहुत लोग बेंगलोर में हैं।
हाँ बैंगलोर।
बहुत लोग बेंगलोर में हैं। जिसे देखो पुणे, बेंगलोर, गुड़गांव, 3 places है जहाँ लोग।
आपको अच्छा लगा कि
या
अच्छा लगा?
लेकिन वेरी टायरिंग।
हाँ वेरी टायरिंग, एग्जैक्टली, वेरी हॉट। ये देखो ना इसमें।
वही वेट।
ये जो सनलाइट है
You just stand there in the sunlight. Yeah. Then I will stand. You just stand in the sunlight.
ऐसी खींच दे।
Natural spotlight. Natural spotlight. Natural spotlight. Would you like to sing something?
No.
Okay.
I'm very
Just
tired. You want more?
yeah.
एक सेकंड।
हाँ yeah, sure.
Just a small clip.
हाँ
It's fine.
हाँ आ जाओ। So I think this is the exit point. This pagoda looks nice. I think we exit from here.
I can see someone scraped 1998 and it's my both year. How was the
It was
experience?
okay, but very tiring and very hot.
Yeah.
Very tiring and very hot.
So you
Baaki
you
it was
will
okay.
you will refer people to come down come at evening time?
Yes, probably during the sunset time it will
Yeah.
be good.
Okay, bye.
Not during the afternoon.